Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to our classes. Today we are going to do page 16, the new edition. Let's get down to it. So we are doing how to join letters, okay? So we have the first here, alif, okay? Remember, alif is a non-connector, which means after alif, we cannot join anything, right? Look, after this alif, we cannot join it with kho. Look, this is alif in the middle, okay? How it looks in the middle. Look, we cannot join it with any other letter. Look, this is alif at the end, okay? So alif in the beginning, alif in the middle, alif at the end. And look, all of these are non-connectors, right? So we have a, kho, the, akhadha, akhadha, akho, the, akhadha, sa, sa'a, la, sa'ala, sa'ala, okay? Da, ro, two non-connectors and a third non-connector, okay? So nothing can be joined. Da, ro, daro, daro'a, 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 okay? Now let's go to the second one here, okay? This looks good, okay? Now we have ba. Look at ba. Ba in the beginning, ba in the middle, and ba at the end. Remember, ba is a connector, okay? So which means we can connect anything with ba from the beginning, when it's in the middle, and when it's at the end, okay? Look, ba, I know it looks like a dal, but it's not a dal. This is ba. Look at the dot, okay? Ba, sa, basa, basa, to, basa to, basa to, basa to, basa to. A, ba, aba, a, ba, aba, da, عبد 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 كتا 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 با كتب 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 بسط بسط عبد عبد كتب كتب. Okay, now ta and ba, they all look alike. The difference is what? The dots, right? Look at ta. This is ta, right? Ta in the beginning, ta in the middle, ta at the end, okay? Also these ones here, the tiny ones, are going to help you. Look at it, okay? After the ta, look, it means we can join, right? You can join this. But after ra, remember, ra is a non-connector. You cannot connect it with anything. And these are all connectors. These are all connectors, okay? So ta in the beginning, ta in the middle, ta at the end. Ta, ra, ka, taraka, taraka, ta, ra, ka, taraka. Fa, ta, fata, fata, ha, fataha, fataha, fataha. Ba, ha, baha, baha. Ta, bahata, bahata, okay? Ta, ra, ka, taraka. Fa, ta, ha, fataha, fataha. Ba, ha, ta, bahata, bahata, okay? Now let's go to tha. Remember, tha looks like ta, okay? Good. So this one looks good here. Fantastic. So we have, look, all of these are connectors, right? And remember, ba, ta, and tha, they all look alike. The difference is what? The dots, right? Look at tha has 3 dots, right? So tha in the beginning, tha in the middle, tha at the end, okay? So we have tha, tha, la, thala, thala, ba, tha, la, ba, thalaba, tha, la, ba, tha, 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 tha. Don't say fa, it's tha, tha, la, ba, thalaba. Ma, tha, ma, tha, fa, 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 ma, tha, la, mathala, mathala, ma, tha, la, mathala, mathala. Good. Ba, ha, ba, ha, baha, baha. Fa, bahatha, bahatha, bahatha. So we have fa, la, ba, thalaba, ma, tha, la, mathala. Ba, ha, fa, bahatha, okay? Thalaba, mathala, bahatha. That is how you're supposed to read it. Now let's go to jim, okay? Jim is the last one here. Now look at jim. So jim in the beginning, look how it looks in the beginning. Jim in the middle, look how it looks in the middle, okay? Jim at the end, look how it looks at the end. But here we have a non-connector. Remember, we said after a non-connector, you cannot connect anything. You cannot join anything after the non-connector. Are we good? Thank you. So we have ja, a, ja'a, ja'a, la, ja'a, la, ja'ala, 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 ja'ala. Sa, ja, saja, saja, sa, ja, saja, saja. Da, sa, ja, da, sajada, sajada. A, ro, ja, عرج, 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 عرج. جعل, سجد, عرج, جعل, جعل, سجد, سجد, عرج, عرج. Remember, ra is a non-connector, so we cannot connect it with a jim. Inshallah, مع السلامة. Thank you for watching. See you in the next page.